welcome back to the channel. So on today's video we are installing an HKS blow-off valve on my 2015 STI. Right now I'm running a Grimspeed bypass valve. I think this is the V1. It kind of still makes the flutter noises. You won't get the V1 anymore, they no longer sell them. So if I love the HKS, I will put this one up for sale for those interested. But for now, yeah, I got the HKS. We're gonna go with the blow-off valve because I am running on speed density tune, so I'm able to do it. So I just wanted them to hear how it sounds, because you know how we are, us car enthusiasts. We always look for sounds of how the car sounds and how the car looks. Other than performance, we want to make sure the car looks good and it sounds good, from the tone of the exhaust to the tone of the engine bay. But yeah, we're gonna install that. And also I got some clamps from SMY Performance. There are black. I've been looking for some black ones. I don't know, I was looking everywhere trying to see if I can find some good ones, because the silvers do not look good and I kind of just want to make it blend in a little bit better. So yeah, the black is definitely gonna look a lot cleaner than the silver. I'm pretty sure I got enough to cover the whole car. But yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it on this video, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so I got everything here. Got it from Image Racing that had everything in stock. I originally got this from Kubi Speed because it was in stock, and then their website kind of lied to me, so I canceled their order and went with Import Image Racing. So I got their torque solution with the flange thing, and we got the HKS BOV valve, and it's the black edition because I kind of wanted a black edition looking one. Look at this bad boy, looks freaking sick. It's gonna look nice in the engine bay, honestly. Yeah, can't wait to throw this on. Kind of looks like, I don't know, it kind of looks weird, but it's gonna look nice in the engine because it's black. I did see they got a black one of this, the adapter thing, but I ordered the silver one, so oh well. Still gonna look nice, honestly. But yeah, let's just go ahead and throw this on. It got everything, instructions, comes with this little pipe and a bunch of clips and stuff. And yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and install this on the car first, and then we'll move on to this right here, which I got from SMY. Came with a little STI little air freshener, and I'll throw that sucker on the car. And yeah, I believe I ordered 9 of these, but yeah, here they are. Let me just get them to you real quick. Look at that. They freaking look clean. They're black, so definitely gonna make the engine bay look a lot cleaner with black clamps. I've been looking for those for a while. I didn't know where to go. I didn't trust the Amazon ones, so I was really looking for seeing if a company had them in stock. But yeah, let's just go ahead and throw it on the GoPro and uninstall this Grimspeed bypass valve and install this beautiful HKS one and see how she sounds, because I do like that Grimspeed bypass valve, how it sounds right now with the whole flutter and everything. So I don't know if I'm gonna lose the flutter or anything, but we'll see. But if it replaces the sound with you know, the blow-off valve sound, so I can't complain, honestly. But yeah, so hopefully the car runs good, even though I am on speed density. You just never know with these kind of things, you know. So time to test it out and see how the car behaves, and hopefully everything is good. And yeah, so let me just go ahead and throw you guys on the GoPro and we'll get this Grimspeed one off. All right, let's go ahead and start removing it. First, I'm gonna clamp this down, this thing with some vice grips. Kind of hard, but there you go. And then this one just pulls right off. All right, and then this. Light. Goodbye, Grimspeed. Okay. All right, here's the old green speed one. Got that sucker on. Place that there really quick. Hopefully this is the cap that goes on there, because it doesn't look like the pictures. Looks like it is. Thank God it's black. Alright. So there's that. Let me see if I can fit my freaking things in there. Alright, there you go. Then you can twist it. For now, I'm gonna twist it like this. I can put the bolts back on. There you go. And then you get the green speed. Put that on the flange. Span tighten this shit. This you can twist. It's probably gonna have to be like that. It's definitely not gonna let me twist it anymore. Yep, so it's only going one way or the other. Because it touches right here, this bolt right here. I kind of wanted it straight, but now it's gonna be like that, so I don't know, maybe remove this bolt and try to see if I can face it kind of upward a little bit. All right, well, I guess that didn't work because this little freaking plastic cover right here, keeps hitting the blow valve, so yeah, oh well. One. So it tells you to get the hose, cut it, put it between these two, the vacuum filter, and then yeah, and zip tie it. I thought it came with like little hoses. Did I not come with hoses? I could have sworn I saw hoses, man. So this side goes to the engine, this side goes to the bypass valve. We'll see how this holds, because damn, this does not look sticky enough. Are you sure it didn't come with hoses? Could have sworn I seen them with it. Am I tripping? Because this one's way too small. Let's see. Yeah, see? Damn. How's that gonna work? Bruh. Bruh. Four millimeter hose. 4mm or 6mm. I thought you came with this, sir. Sir. What do you mean there's no? Yeah, see? I guess that's gonna have to just do. Alright guys, well there it is. Easy done. Sucks that this bolt doesn't let it go straight. It's definitely in the way. I was trying to fix it, but I think that's just the way it's gonna go. Well, it looks good. I mean, can't complain, just need to figure out how to put this hose on looking better, but
yeah, the plug is on there. And yeah. So let's just go ahead and turn her on and see how it sounds like how it is right now. And then we'll go for a drive. So let's go ahead and turn her on how she sounds right now. And then we'll go for a drive. Cold out here. Let her warm up, because damn, she did not want to start right there. Put in my mic, I guess I never had it on. Alright guys, let's go for a little drive really quick. See how it sounds. Oh my lord. That sounds freaking crazy. A lot more better sound. What the hell? Oh yeah. That sounds crazy loud. I don't know how the mic is gonna pick it up, but damn, it sounds good. It's like a little flutter, squeaky sound. Shut up, little thing. I'm trying to freaking listen to the turbo, not you. All right, let's. Loud as hell on this side because of that. And because of my intake, I mean pretty much because of my vented hood, it's loud as hell. You can hear it all crazy right here. I don't know how the mic is picking it up, but damn, it's pretty loud. Oh, come on, traffic. I don't care why people drive so slow these days, man. It's like they got all the time in the world. Just kidding. That sounds crazy. Holding more boost, better boost than the freaking grid speed. could have missed the flutter sound from the Grinspeed one, so I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'll ever sell the Grinspeed one, just in case I do want to go back to the. I don't think this one has it anymore. It's just covered up by that damn bird chirp, you know, that chirp, that good old chirp. I think it's probably just. God, no. Sounds good. I like that chirping sound now. Oh, that sounds so good, man. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's either the chirp or the choo that the Grinspeed kind of does. A little flutter sound. I don't know. I feel like this just sounds so good. Oh, man.
Alright guys, well there she is, and man, she sounds freaking amazing. I just got back from doing a couple hot runs. You can hear the freaking headers just popping like popcorn. But yeah, overall sounds good. Definitely sounds better than the Grinspeed. Other than you don't really hear the flutter anymore, because I'm pretty sure this is too loud for you to hear the flutter. But it sounds good. Honestly, I like the sound of a turbo charged car when it has this kind of bypass valve. I mean, this kind of blow off valve. I almost went with the tile one. I don't know how that one sounds. I was gonna look up some videos, but honestly, when I saw people run this kind of blow off valve, it just sounds amazing. It just sounds a lot better, honestly. Definitely sounds good. So yeah, can't wait to just keep enjoying this car and keep building it. Honestly, right now, engine bay wise, I think I'm done. I keep saying that, but I think I'm done, other than cosmetics. But yeah, we got one more part coming in on freaking Monday, and I can't wait to show you guys that, because that's going to complete the look that I'm looking for. And then in March, I will probably just wrap the car. That's when I'll wrap the car, start taking it off in March, start taking off the old wrap and taking the car apart so I can wrap the car red. Yes, we're going red. The only thing that I will have a problem with going red is the inside of this engine bay, because it's still gray. But this light gray, can't really tell that much because it kind of like blends in a little bit. But when the car is red, you're definitely going to be able to see that a lot more. So that's the only thing that bothers me when wrapping cars, is that whatever color you have on the inside, like let's say your door panel, I mean your doors, your pillars and stuff in the engine bay, that's the color it's gonna show. If you had a black car, it will not bother. If I had a black car, it would not bother me as much, because it'll be black engine bay and it'll be black everywhere else. But since it's silver, yeah, you can see it. Honestly, oh well. And when I pop the hood, you're still just gonna see the engine. So yeah, overall, I can't wait till it's red. Yeah, but yeah, Monday I get that one part, and I'll show you guys that. And then yeah, but for now, let me just go ahead and start taking these off and swapping them over to the black ones, just to make it look a lot better. All right, so let's just go ahead and do that really quick, and then I'll show you guys how it looks at the end here after I'm done. All right. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for these little install clamps. They definitely look good. Definitely look better than those chrome that I had on there. Yeah, all of them are tight, nice, and they're not going anywhere. Overall, the intercooler kind of just fixes itself, so none of these couplers will pop off. But yeah, it just looks a lot better overall. Just needs a clean up, wash, especially the whole car. Definitely needs to be cleaned and washed. But that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video on this HKS blow valve install and some. By the way, I got these clamps from SMY Performance. Not sure if I mentioned it, but yeah, they have these clamps and they look good. So yeah, overall everything came out good. Just gonna clean her up, wash the car, and go take some pictures. So yeah, hopefully you have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.